We're back with another one from Vexub's Video Style lineup, and this one might be my personal favorite so far, Cyberpunk Neon. If your channel covers tech, AI, futuristic concepts, or anything that feels like it belongs 10 years ahead of right now, this style was basically made for you. Here's what Cyberpunk Neon actually looks like. Instead of a plain AI image slowly zooming while you talk about the next big AI breakthrough, this style pulls in footage soaked in neon lighting, glowing city visuals, glitch effects, that whole futuristic high-tech atmosphere you'd expect from a sci-fi movie. It doesn't just illustrate your script, it sets a mood. Let's say you are making a video about the future of AI or breaking down some new piece of technology. Before, your narration about something genuinely exciting would play over a static image that didn't match the energy at all. Now with Cyberpunk Neon, that same narration plays over glowing futuristic visuals that actually make the topic feel as big as it is. Let's jump into the dashboard and set this up. First of all, click Create a Video. Choose Text to Video and select your format. Next, pick a narrator or skip this step as you are making a faceless content. Now, there is an option of cloning your voice, or you can choose an AI voice. Now, after that, generate or paste your script for the video. Once your script is finalized, you will reach the style selection step. This is the visual style selection step where you will get video style and image style. Now, as we are using the video style, we click on video style and select the Cyberpunk Neon from the list. Then click on Start Generation, and Vexub will automatically build your entire video using Cyberpunk Neon footage synced automatically to your narration and subtitles. Alright, the video is done. Let's preview it.
AI will soon outsmart humans. The future is racing at us. Picture this: machines that learn, adapt, and evolve faster than we can. We're not just talking about robots. This is about every aspect of our lives. From healthcare to finance, AI is set to revolutionize everything. But here's the kicker. Most people don't even realize how much AI is already influencing their daily choices. Your social media feeds?
Honestly, this might be the one that surprised me the most out of everything we have tested so far. The neon color grading alone makes it feel like a trailer, not a script read over stock clips. What I really like is that it doesn't just look cool for the sake of it, it actually fits the subject matter. If you are talking about AI, robotics, or where technology is headed, this visual language already exists in people's head from movies and games, so your video instantly taps into something familiar and exciting without you explaining anything. The other thing worth mentioning, the transitions between clips stayed smooth even with the heavier visual effects going on, which isn't always a given with stylized footage, and subtitle readably held up fine against the busier background, which matters a lot for retention on shorts. If your channel lives anywhere near tech, AI, gaming, or futuristic content, I would genuinely put this at the top of your list to test next. It's one of those features where the video basically sells itself the moment someone sees the thumbnail. Try it on your next tech or AI video and tell us in the comments if it hit the same way for you. If this helps, hit like, subscribe to grow with Vexub, and we'll keep testing every style Vexub has to offer. That's all for today's video. I'll catch you in the next one.